Dedication brings a brilliant smile. Satisfaction is our greatest achievement. Creating a safe, convenient environment through technology and modernization. Welding for the future. Delivering eternal happiness is the mission of Sorex. Leadership through exceeding expectations. In 1978, a group of experts that shared the business philosophy of dedication, innovation, and quality began building a leading brand for welding in Taiwan. Sorex established a comprehensive quality control process where all the processes, such as research and development, incoming inspection, process control, product inspection, storage and transportation, after-sales service, and customer satisfaction conform to ISO 9001, as well as other exacting local and international standards. At Sorex, we pride ourselves on delivering products that exceed our customers' expectations. Quality and safety first. Sorex insists on using high-quality materials and strict quality controls to ensure product stability. This translates into superior products for different applications. Aesthetically pleasing and corrosion-resistant, the welds are smooth with a metallic texture and resistant to color changes. Safe environment. Reduced spatter and smoke. Provides welders with a friendly work environment. Excellent slag removal properties with high deposition efficiency boosts welding productivity. Sorex has also introduced extensive quality checks with advanced instruments. Carbon sulfur analyzer, oxygen nitrogen analyzer, moisture analyzer, metallographic microscope, universal testing machine, impact testing machine, and Rockwell hardness tester. Sorex strives to provide high-performance products that meet our own demanding standards. The comprehensive range of products include covered electrodes, flux cord wire, solid wire, submerged arc wire flux, for applications ranging from the petrochemical industry, pressure vessels, vehicles and shipbuilding, steel bridge structures, offshore platforms, or even thermal and nuclear power plants. We can also develop and design products for different working conditions according to customer requirements. Sorex follows each industry's design and construction standards for welding to create products that exceed regulatory requirements and with improved safety performance. As the first line of defense for quality, Sorex Welding is now a symbol for happiness in many fields. Innovative research and professional service. Top local and foreign materials, chemical and chemical engineering experts are recruited by Sorex to draw on their know-how and creativity in product design and process development. The development and production of new products are also certified by the appropriate authorities as well. Employee training is an important annual target. People-centric management is also one of Sorex's core values. As Sorex leverages employee expertise to provide customers with the best service, you know you can depend on the Sorex team. Environmental protection, green energy, and automation technology. Sorex has also recruited mechanical and electrical engineering experts to develop high-performance welding material production equipment, tailored to company requirements. The powerful process control and emergency troubleshooting capabilities boost productivity. After the advanced processes prove popular, Sorex now designs production equipment and provides technical assistance to customers. Take covered electrodes, for example. Every step of the production process, from incoming inspection, formulation, dry mixing, wet mixing, pressing, coating, drying, packaging, product inspection, and stock-in, all undergo a strict quality control procedure. The flux cord wire production process encompasses incoming inspection, formulation, dry mixing, steel strip rewinding, forming, primary drying, secondary extrusion, splitting, barrel splitting, packaging, product inspection, and stock-in. Submerge arc flux production process, incoming inspection, formulation, dry mixing, wet mixing, granulation, low temperature drying, sieve selection, coarse crushing, high sintering, packaging, product inspection, and stock-in. Environmental concepts have now been introduced into business development. Dust collection and wastewater treatment facilities have been set up within the plant. We've also continued with the greening of our surroundings to maintain the balance between technology and the environment. Putting customer requirements first and looking after this land is Sorex's unchanging promise. From MIT to the world, Sorex is building a flexible and energetic corporate culture through continued improvement and innovation. For employees, we value employee welfare and strive to create satisfactory workplaces. For customers, we provide high-quality products at a reasonable price. For society, we build a safe, green, and high-quality living environment. Satisfying customer orders, working with ODM and OEM customers to develop new markets, achieving MIT quality and a global sales network. Select the best professionals. Sorex Welding Materials brings you eternal happiness.